we now have the honor of having our Consul General Somnath Ghoshji. He's here. Thank you so much, sir, for coming. Just a few words about our Consul General. Career diplomat, Ambassador Ghosh joined the Indian Foreign Services in 1997. In a span of career over 30 years, he has been Ambassador of India to the Republic of Tajikistan and Mongolia. Prior to that, he was the Assistant High Commissioner of India and Bangladesh with consular jurisdiction of Chittagong and Sylhet divisions constituting eastern part of Bangladesh. In his career, apart from important assignments in New Delhi, he has worked in Moscow, Brussels, European Council and European Parliament and spent considerable time in Central Asia as well. Prior to joining as Consul General of India in Chicago with consular jurisdiction of 7 Midwest states, Ambassador Ghosh was studying the international cooperation work in Ministry of Defense of India. In that capacity, he oversaw defense policy and negotiations with USA, Russia, France, UK, major multinational organizations and India's land and maritime neighborhood. Ambassador Ghosh earned his MSc from the Indian Institute of Technology in Kanpur, India. He speaks Bengali, Hindi, English and Russian. He lives in Chicago with his wife and his 2 sons. And we are really honored, sir, to have you here. It's such a pleasure to have you with us on this great occasion. Thank you so much for coming. Please join us, sir, onto the stage. Everybody, please welcome Somnath Ghoshji with a big hand of applause. I now request Archana Gaurav to go on stage and presentate Somnathji.
Hello.
Thank you, Consul General. It's a pleasure to have you here every time, and thank you for your continuous support. Please give me a few words to talk about.
Namaskar and Shubh Sankranti, and also Happy Republic Day. This is my 3rd year coming to this beautiful venue, full of people, full of children. I love coming back to this event every year. Thank you so much. This is the day, the Sankranti, when we celebrate harvest, when we celebrate coming back to our community and families, when we express our gratitude to God, and this happy occasion also coming very near to our Republic Day, a great day, and that too the 158th year of Vande Mataram. This year, so when these kids were performing, they were representing leaders of our country, I was remembering Vande Mataram, which inspired us during our freedom struggle. I am very proud of the community that is represented here. The future of India-United States partnership is great. In trade, in technology, in academia, everywhere you go, in medicine, everywhere you go, the Indians are contributing to the society, and this community is at the forefront. So thank you for your work, thank you for your service, continue to do the great work, And at the same time, I also believe that the future is very bright. Thanks to your strong work, thanks to your contribution to the society, and also your contribution back to India. We are proud of you. Have a great year ahead. And once again, Shubh Sankranti and Happy Republic Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
We have certificates given to the team by the Consul General of India. Team for the